This is our 8 tons capacity crane of the Liuwa brand. Our crane adopts advanced CNC plasma cutting technology in the production. The 8-ton crane has upgraded the double pump multi-way valve. It can make the rotation smoother. Horizontal and vertical legs can adapt to different sites. The crane's telescopic, luffing, and hoisting instructions are very precise. We can also provide customers with customized services for color, logo, and others. Our cranes are popular in the USA, Uzbekistan, the Philippines, the Dominican Republic, and other countries.